Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Todo bien?
Todo bien, todo bien.
Bien, bien.
Es un extraordinario jugador.
Gracias, amigo. Hasta luego.
Chao. Chao.
So, welcome to watch my new video. Today we're gonna go to Parque Botacio. I don't know the name. Botanico.
Jardín el Botánico.
Sí, Botanico. Todos los tiempos cuando yo llevo afuera es lluvia. Es muy malo.
Sí.
Y yo necesito aprender español todos los tiempos. Let's go check this Jardín Botánico de Bogotá. And after that, we have a lot of plans.
Nosotros necesitamos panchos.
Panzas, no.
Sí.
No necesito, no poncho, no. Pero necesito comida.
Comida ahora.
Sí, más tarde. Pero ahora, vamos.
Ahora, wait a second.
No, espera un momento.
Oh, restaurante, ¿sí?
¿Tú
Muy
quieres?
bien. ¿Vamos?
Quiero ir.
Comida, ¿sí?
Sí, ok, vamos.
Ok, vamos.
Hola.
Bienvenido a la orden.
Hola.
Tenemos empanaditas, tenemos almuercitos también.
¿Qué? Esta empanada.
Estas son empanadas horneadas de pollo,
Pollo.
con pollo.
Ah,
Este es pastel de pollo con champiñón.
ok.
¿Qué es esto?
Estos son palitos de queso.
Sí.
Para mí, un paquete de queso y una empanada de pollo.
Y para mí solo un empanada de pollo.
Siéntense, adelante, pasen adelante.
Sí.
¿Tienen dónde salir?
Do you wanna? Let's sit here. So it was fast. The first restaurant was on the corner, and now we will eat some empanadas con pollo. This is my first time to try this kind of thing, so let's try.
YAMAAN.
Yeah.
Palito con queso, gracias.
Aquí hay salsitas si quieren.
Oh, gracias.
Barbecue, mostaza,
Gracias.
Okay, muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias.
picante.
Picante. Sí,
Oh,
me
sí,
gusta.
sí.
Ay, ay,
Picante
ay.
sí,
Sí.
Gracias.
a la hora. Díganme.
I love picante.
YAMAAN.
Esta para mí.
Magnifique palito.
Okay, let's try this. Empanada con pollo. Okay, it's too hot. Too hot. I have to wait a little bit. Okay, let's try this with the spicy. Muy bueno. Muy bueno. It tastes similar than some Asian food that I tried in Asia. It's same type of like the taste of this picante. I think it's a green thing. I think they use this a lot in Asia. But it's really good. Really good. I like this. And it's raining a lot.
Oh my goodness, it's raining a lot.
It's like it comes harder than from the shower.
Yeah.
¿Cuánto vale? ¿Cuánto vale?
Gracias.
Okay, ¿tienes café con leche? My first coffee in Colombia.
No.
Serían 20.000. 2 empanadas, un palito de blanco y el café.
Sí. ¿Cuánto?
20.000.
Yeah.
¿No tienen 20.000 sencillos?
So, I haven't tried coffee yet. I don't drink coffee like almost never, but sometimes I like. And now I'm gonna try my first cafe in Colombia. But it's good.
It's good. I like it.
I can say it's much better than in Spain.
Yeah. That's why I drink every day.
And this is like good. This milk is also really good. It's like creamy, a little bit more creamy, and it tastes really good. I like this a lot. I think I'm gonna drink maybe a little bit more coffee in Colombia. Salud. Ay, muy caliente. I burn my mouth. Jardín Botanical de Bogota. Let's go. Now it's not raining that much, a little bit drizzling, but it's okay. You can hear the lightning, but let's go now. Un poncho. Yeah, Camille bought this poncho again, but I like rain, so I don't need this. I love rain. And ticket office. Let's go there. Hola.
¿Qué tal? Bienvenido.
Dos tickets.
¿Juan Tropicario?
No, solo de general.
Ok. 16.
Ok, vale. ¿Puedo pagar con tarjeta?
¿Qué? No.
Ok. Muchas gracias.
Gracias.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.
Ok, toma.
Gracias.
Aquí.
Sí, señor. Sepáralo un poquito.
Ah. Ah, muchas gracias.
Señora.
Yeah, that was easy. Oh, brother, they have these huge palms here.
Yeah.
We have to go. I don't know. It's close to Cali. This one place where you can see the most, world tallest palm trees, and here they have similar. It smells like a nature here.
Yeah, really good smell.
And this is like actually pretty good time to come here when it rains, because we get this tropical vibe. But look this palm tree. Ay caramba. It's huge.
Yeah.
Yo. Pero está muy frío aquí. Oh.
Frío.
Ya, sí, tengo solo de camiseta. Oh my god. Brother, it's huge.
It's really good.
Yeah. I don't know if you can hear this sound of the lightning, but it's pretty heavy sound. Okay guys, look these palms. It's so beautiful. These are like real palm trees. Yeah. That sounds really good. Look, brother. Ooh. Que chimba.
Chimba, brother. Wow.
No te puedo olvidar, no te puedo borrar. Tú me enseñaste a querer, me enseñaste a bailar. Ta 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 ta. It's really beautiful. This is actually like from my dreams. You know, you always see these beautiful movies, like kids movies, and they always has this kind of jardins. And you can smell even the roses here. Oh my god, it's good. Que chimba. And they have like really different roses. Not only red, they have white, yellow, purple, red. Todos. Brother, maybe we can sneak in there. Let's go try. You do some and I run.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay. Ah, no, there is no one. Let's go. But yeah, this is the tropical place. I think it's really, really beautiful inside there. But I can just imagine. Brother, this is, I don't know, like from my dreams. Like, you know Call of Duty?
Yeah.
Looks like this. Look! This motherfucker take a chupa chupa from the bigger one.
Yeah.
That's nasty. Why they do like this? Everybody sucky sucky. Okay, should we go this way?
Yeah.
The oxygen, how to say it?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Oxygen.
Just oxygen.
Oxygen.
Yeah.
Oxygen level here is like 35% more than in the city. You can like breathe fresh air here. But no surprise, because they have a lot of plantas here. O como se dice, yo no sé. Yo, I've never seen tree like this before. And look this. What the fuck? It's like a, it's really like symbol. It's like symmetrical. Not symmetrical, como se dice?
No.
Symbolic.
No.
Look this creator. Creator. My camera doesn't focus. Wat een creator in the tree. Oh, the aguacates. Que chimba. Where they are? They took everything off, so people won't eat it. Huh.
Hey, gringo, no.
Oh, cactus. Oh, brother, look this tree.
Oh, yeah.
Where is it? I wanna see this in my real eyes. It smells really good here.
Yeah.
And they have aloe veras. Now it's not smells that good anymore. These things. The lake. What? It's not lake. What is the name of this kind of small
Stuff.
stuff?
Yeah, it's in Polish.
Stump.
Stuff.
Oh, the cactus. I think this is some kind of aloe vera.
This?
Yeah, but like different species. Or how you can say it.
I don't know.
It's like the big brother, the uncle. No, the abuelo. I have a story about the cactus. You know the big ball cactus? It's shape of ball. And they have this kind of cactus. And you can see this always in the movies. Like American movies. Like USA movies. And when I was a little kid, like 3 years old, I was in this one park in Spain. And I told my mom that, look, there's a ball. And I run through the ball with my hand like this. And I go like boom. And I had like 25,000 needles in my hand after that. And I was crying a lot. I don't remember the stuff, but I heard from my mom this story. But it's really good that I remember it.
I can easily believe in this story.
Yeah, because it's me. Okay, we can go out here. What did you say?
This lake smells like the socks which have been used like 5 days straight.
Yeah, a little bit, yeah. Or like milk which goes bad, you know.
Yeah.
Milk and socks. Bad milk and socks. What is the name in Spanish? The tree? Avril, I think it's Avril. Maybe. Tell me if I'm wrong. I have to check later. I love everything in Colombia. I love nature. I love food. Food is like and I don't get any stomach problems, which I got in Asia. And also the nature is really beautiful, and like in general the atmosphere here. and also of course the gals. But like I was expecting that South America is more expensive, and what I heard, okay, if you go other countries like Brazil, Chile, Argentina, it could be a little bit more expensive, or some countries in Central America, but Colombia is cheap in my opinion. Like people say that it's really like much more expensive than in Asia, that it's like between Europe and between Asia, and I think yeah, maybe it is when you count everything together. But like when it comes to food and accommodation, I think it's really good. In Asia many times we paid like 10 euros accommodation night, and here we pay the same around. And food is not that expensive. It's like 3.5 euro with drink, 4 euros you can eat good, or even less. And the street food is like couple of euros or euro. And the same was in Asia. In Asia, when you go out, the street food is 1 euro around, maybe some countries a little bit more. And the food always we paid around 3.5 euros or 2.5 euros, but we had to get 2 meals because the portions there are so small. But here they are so big and so good, so I can get my stomach like full. Yeah.
YAMAAN.
And I asked ChatGPT, and ChatGPT say that Malaysia should be like a little bit more expensive than like Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador and Colombia. But I'm not sure. And don't like trust my words, I don't know shit. What did you say?
You don't know shit, but you just gave 5-minute monologue speech.
Yeah, that's true. I just like yap. Yappity yap yap.
Yapa.
Yap yap. Estoy aquí. I don't leave this country before I can do freestyle in Spanish. Some jungle walk. I don't know, today I have like really good energy. I don't know why, but I think it's because the past couple of days we stayed inside of the apartment. We didn't do shit. But now when you go out, everything just feels like you're alive. You're like alive, like the nature. Estoy perdido o perdido. ¿Cómo se dice? Lost. Perdido. I think it's perdido. I'm like, look, I'm getting good with Spanish, brother. Yeah. I learn every day some new words that I can use, but still I can't do like conversations with people. I can handle the basic stuff, like when I go restaurant, then maybe I can ask something like basic stuff, and I can like little bit express myself and tell about myself a little bit. But I think like couple of months and I can do a little bit like conversations. Oh, this looks like my path. Oh, yo brother, they have some kind of viewpoint here. Yeah, this is what I like. In sunny day, this will be a really nice place. You can get your barra and jamon, queso, jugo, and you can eat here and drink. We are like inside of the city, but I feel like we're in the jungle.
Yeah.
This is like, yeah, you just see nature around you, and it's really beautiful. And I like this weather. Like it gives me this vibe, like this tropical vibe. Da 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 da. Okay, maybe you should go out. I get wet.
No, poncho, no.
No, gracias. Sí, me gusta mucho de lluvia. Under the tree. No, this is really good. The beer. Here, let's stay here, brother. Palo mulato. Palo mulato. if you don't like nature and shit, you shouldn't come with me, because I always choose this kind of spots. No. Ah, now we are other side of this. Maybe we should walk there. No, no te puedo olvidar. No, no te puedo borrar. Bad Bunny por siempre. No, Bad Bunny new album is really good. I didn't like it, like Bad Bunny, but these new songs are really good. Nueva York. Yeah.
Hermanito,
Mi zapatos es muy no limpia, ¿cómo se dice? Limpio, they're different. Muy dirty. This is the most biggest.
all in the world.
This is not all.
Ah, yeah, this is Jastrząb. Yeah, I know.
I know this word.
Yeah.
What is the name? Hovk. I don't know how to pronounce it.
I don't know either.
Oh, you know, I wanna see it. Oh, brother, this is the animal.
The one which eats ants.
No, brother.
Which one?
You check yesterday from the Google Maps.
Yeah.
You put your location middle of the jungle,
Yeah.
and this is the animal that you saw.
Yes, you are right. Yes.
Because it had this ding and ding.
It was just black, like very black. But yes, you are right.
It looks exactly like this.
Yes, you are right.
Look, my memory is good. Brother, if tiger is that big in real life. Yeah. No, I think he's gonna eat me. Hey, but it's really beautiful bird. You know, you see all the colors. There's purple, green. Fucking hell. Don't kill me. I think we saw most of the parts from this park, and now I think it's really good time to leave. Or maybe not if you check the weather. But we already saw this. We spent over 1 hour here, but it was really nice to visit here. And now what are we gonna do? So, comida o
Comida. ¿Tú quieres comida?
tal vez no ahora, pero después.
Okay, bueno.
Ok, puedo, comprendo todos.
No, I understand everything. You say maybe not now, maybe we can do it a little bit later.
Yes.
Yeah, you see, I understand. Yo comprendo.
Sí.
Bueno español.
Sí.
You don't trust me.
No, this weather, brother.
Ah, yeah.
I'm waiting.
You wanna go out of this park?
Like, what are we gonna do?
I don't know. We can walk around.
Okay, we came out of this park and we realized that we don't have Wi-Fi, so it's really hard to order the Uber. So I think we're gonna go ask Wi-Fi and then we're gonna order Uber because the weather is pretty good. So I think it's time to go back to closer our place. And ¿quieres ir? Comida.
Sí, yo quiero.
Algunos. ¿Quieres comer aquí o en un chapinero?
Yo no sé.
You can decide.
I don't know what you want. What do you think?
I think that maybe we can find some restaurant and take Wi-Fi from there.
Ah, and order the Uber.
Yeah, from there.
Okay, we can do it.
Okay, let's go find some restaurant now, because now it's not raining that much. Okay, hasta luego.
Hasta luego.
I love this weather. So we came again to this kind of fruit place. Fruit helado ice cream place to eat. Because we didn't want to walk too much and this was first place that we saw. And the weather is not good for walking, so we're gonna eat here. They don't have Wi-Fi, so we're gonna go after this back to the park and let's go ask for there if they have Wi-Fi there. But now first let's eat. ¿Y qué quieres?
Yo quiero un jugo.
¿Jugo?
Sí.
Jugo de...
Jugo de... yo no sé.
Ok, tal vez yo probar un jugo. Es diferente, no naranja.
¿Beberás?
Ah,
Sí.
un maracuya. I'm gonna try maracuya.
Okay.
Because
What
everybody say that it's good. And they always wanted to give me this. And the one place, this one guy asked me, you want this? And I say, what is it? And he didn't answer me anymore. Okay, I'm gonna take un maracuya.
What is frutos rojos? It's like red fruit?
Yeah, but I don't know what it means.
Okay.
Maybe they're strawberries. I don't know. Hamburguesa es muy buena.
Hamburguesa de carne y hamburguesa de pollo apanado.
Es muy bien.
Sí.
Ok, un...
Bimbo.
¿Y cuánto vale de carne?
13.500.
Ok, yo para mí un carne, hamburguesa. Y un maracuya. De jugo.
Un agua o leche.
¿Ah?
Agua o leche.
¿Qué es más
En
bueno?
agua o leche es, bueno, crema, leche.
Sí, sí, yo sé, pero ¿qué es más bien? Más bueno.
El leche queda más espeso, cremoso.
¿Cómo se dice? Recomendación.
Ok. ¿Qué le digo? Pues con la hamburguesa como en agua.
Ok, con agua.
En la hamburguesa.
Sí.
Para mí, por favor, hamburguesa de
Pollo.
carne.
Sí.
Sí, hamburguesa de carne y un jugo en agua con papaya. Por favor.
Muchas gracias.
Gracias. Bien.
You just said un jugo con agua. No, un jugo agua.
I said jugo en agua con papaya.
You can just say un jugo papaya con agua. I think it's better to say like that. I don't know. Okay, maracuya.
Salud.
Salud. No cervezas at this time.
Gracias.
Muchas gracias. Está muy bien. Me encanta mucho. It's really good. Ay, ay, ay.
Oh la la.
Muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Ay, ay, ay.
Bienvenido. Enjoy.
Okay, I think I need to probar algún diferentes jugos. Está muy bien. It's really good. Okay, vamos a probar este.
It's like good.
Burger looks good. Let's try this. It's really good. Really good. I like this. It tastes like a hamburger. Ay, que chimba. One more bite. This was 13,500, which is like €3, and this was 150. So it's like €4.5. But we cooked a lot in our apartment, so sometimes we can enjoy the food when we go out. But we cook ourselves because we can save money, and I'm pretty good. I'm really good chef.
He's good cooker.
Yeah, I don't need any wives. I don't need wife. I can cook for myself. And how is this?
It's good. It's really good, but it's like naturally, it's not sweet. It's like I don't even know how to compare that taste. Yeah.
I know the fruit, but it's not sweet. Try this. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, right, yeah.
It's really good.
Yeah, it's really good. Yeah, yeah. That's what you need in life.
I'm gonna take this same choice in different places also. It's really good. But now let's enjoy. Yeah. So we took taxi now, and we are going back to our place. We're gonna go chill a little bit, and then we're gonna go to the center, and we have to buy some stuff, and yeah, let's see. Okay, muchas gracias. Hasta luego. So, yeah, we got out, and now let's go chill a little bit.
Yeah, manito.
Are you tired?
Yeah, you know that when you get so much oxygen and when you are walking in like nature place.
Yeah, and then you eat.
For you. Yeah, and then you eat. You feel like.
Now we're gonna rest a little bit.
Yeah.
What we came to do? Buy some toothpaste. No, we have to buy some good, but it's not natural.
Yeah, I see.
You can see it. But yeah, now we have to make some food, and I think we're gonna make some burgers. Oh, you want a chicken mañana?
No.
I make it every day for you. It's good. Yeah, but I think we don't do much today because it's pretty late. It's 7 o'clock, and we have to do a lot of things in the casa. Okay, we went to the shop, and we bought some things. I bought this toothpaste for me because I'm a clean guy. And oh shit, yeah, we bought some huevos, queso, some hamburguesas de pan, y mayo y ketchup, y also chicken, pollo, and it's really good. We're gonna make some hamburguesas, and I think it's gonna be really good, because I'm gonna make it. I'm a really good chef. I'm like Gordon Ramsay version 2 almost, but yeah, then we're gonna aprender un poco español con mi amigo Camil.
Sí.
Claro?
Claro.
Claro. Okay, but now I'm gonna end this video right here. Thank you for watching this video, of course, and please leave a like, comment on this video if you want, but leave a like and subscribe me. And next video you wanna see it. Peace and love. Oi, caramba. These buses are crazy. There is a lot of water. They always ride on the street and they throw the water from us, but yeah. See you guys. Peace and love. So, I made burgers, and Camille ate one already. And he wanted yellow yolk to be like this, so it came off. But look this. Look this. And how is it?
I have to say, this guy knows how to cook. Really. It's really good. It's
Better than in the restaurant.
much better. It's like really much better, bro. I recommend this chef as a cooker. He's really good. I recommend this guy as a cooker. He knows what to do.
That's what I'm talking about. I'm a good chef. Master chef. So yeah. Holla at me. if there's any gal who want really good food, I can make. Okay. See you. Peace.